casino. Big time. Alright, so we haven't done this in years, right? We haven't done room service in I don't know how long. And it's complimentary here, as long as you get the continental breakfast. But this is everything. There's my hot water, our stuff, free milk, cornflakes, raisin bran, and then I think she said there's toast under there, but I can't show you her because she's got no clothes on. So we're gonna go sit on our balcony and we're gonna have a little breakfast before we go to Perfect Day at CoCo Cay. We're already here, and it's only like 7 o'clock, and I didn't get to bed till almost 2 because I won in the casino. All right, here we go. So we are sitting out on the balcony. Time for breakfast. Oh, there's her breakfast of champions. Diet Coke. Oh, she's so weird.
Pretty dirty.
Oh my God, look at it. She ain't even ate yet. Her napkin's already got spot on
Messy.
it.
That's so messy.
She's got pajamas on. What a dork.
I'm sleeping in pajamas.
Anyway, so here's our breakfast. Happy anniversary that it ain't our anniversary.
It's the anniversary of something.
Yeah, it's anniversary month. All right, time to dig in. The funny thing about this is they're refueling, which I'm surprised we haven't gone that far. Unless they can get it cheaper out here or something, but you can smell that fuel. And that right there is where they fill that up at. Alright, so that is the fuel. We're going to do it right from that big old tanker. One shot. We'll get that close. Almost 30 minutes and they finally, I think they got it. Tightening up the lines now. Alright, so get a load of this. That ship right there is loaded with LNG, liquefied natural gas. Please don't smoke. Alright, making our way. The vision of the seas. They were parked next to us in Nassau yesterday. Good morning, it's Terry's happy day.
Happy day.
Yeah, happy day.
Beach day.
Happy day. She gets to go to the beach all day.
I'm so happy.
All right, here we are in CoCo Cay.
For a great day.
In CoCo Cay.
Yeah, it's going to be fun. We're going to try to hit the beach.
Yeah,
It's not too windy.
correct. So we're gonna go have a perfect day at CoCo Cay.
And that was a winner last night, so it's even better.
I owe them nothing.
You won a big in the casino.
Sure did.
Yay,
On a
Pat!
$1.50 bet.
Yeah.
All right.
But he
See you
said
on the
that real
island.
late. He told me he was in at 1, but he didn't.
I did. So I'm going on like 8 hours of sleep in 2 days. So.
Yeah.
Well. See you.
Yeah.
Oh, and I almost forgot. She hasn't decided if she wants to go to the pool, the lagoon, or the beach. It's a little windy, but not too
I
bad.
just said a few minutes ago while you were taping, we might hit the beach. You don't hear.
I'm gonna hit something. I'm gonna hit something.
Hear.
Might hit something, but it's not gonna be the beach. Watch your step.
He cannot hear. I love it. Song. Yeah, he's got big ears,
Okay.
but he cannot hear. Yeah,
All right.
he's good.
Okay. Someone's not coming back to the ship, probably. that I didn't know, because it always looked so perfect and smooth, was I thought that was like a concrete or something sealing in the dirt, because it always looked the same when we came. But that is actually a real sandcastle, because he is digging it out. Alright, they got the balloon up. I doubt it's going to go up. It's kind of windy today, as it always is. Right there's a size difference, that's for sure.
Closer, Paul. Dressing up as a cowboy.
There you go. That's the red hat ladies.
Red and black.
Oh, that lady don't have a red hat. Oh. A lot of chairs. There's your buffet area, one of them. The other one's on the other side of the lagoon. CoCay over there. Tram station. Tram goes all the way around the island. And that's where you get your short excursions, your rentals. Down here. This is Chill Island. So we're down on the other side of the island. Got us a bar. Lots of bars. These are the day beds that people rent and never stay in them. And there's the snack shack. This is pretty much, you can go actually behind those over there. There's a little path that goes through there to a little small itty bitty beach. But there's all your jet skis, and I haven't seen one person on them. Oasis Lagoon is the pool area.
My brain was like, no, nothing.
Alright, so this is the buffet area. Chill grill. But the way they set it up is really good. There's really never any lines or anything for anything. Pretty awesome. We've had a long day. We're getting ready to go to bed. Just kidding.
No,
we're getting ice cream.
They put us on a diet.
Yeah.
They're so good.
They're little.
Cheers.
But you can get one. See ya. Cheers. Boop. This is how they get all the food back. The towels, everything. And they take it back to the ships. They divide it up. So they say. There you go. All gone. 3 o'clock. Everything but one station's gone. All right, we're still 2 hours away from having to be back to the ship, and there's not one person in the pool. They're all sitting around the edges. I wonder if something happened here. So I just got the inside scoop why the pool's closed. They say it's going to open back up here shortly, but they said this is, quote, unsupervised kid dropped a missile. We all know what that means. Where are we going?
We're going back to the ship before the storm comes.
Look
See the
behind
dark
us.
cloud?
Look behind
Hope
us.
we make it. A lot of people not coming in right now.
Yeah, they're not coming. They're
So,
going to get wet.
we hope we make it to the ship.
I hope so, because I don't want to be
That's
wet.
why we were here. It rained on our way back.
We did. We had to stay over at Jack's.
Yeah, we had
Captain Jack's.
Rain last time. We'll be fine.
All
We
right.
won't melt.
All right, let's see how far they got on the sand.
Okay, let's
The
go.
sand, what do you call that? A sand
Castle.
castle. Whatever. It's not a castle. Whatever.
Let's see what he did.
We'll see what he did. There he is. Huh?
Got that one thing on top, that rope.
Yeah, he's got the shell. It looks like the start of a turtle. Pretty cool. But I'm sure he's scrambling too because the rain will ruin it until he gets the sealing on it. Pretty cool. We'll see what it looks like next time we come. Ship is still pumping water. Hooking up to the barge now. Been out there fueling a long time. Pretty cool. Changes every time you come by here. Okay, so I thought I was going crazy. This is down on deck 4 forward. And this right here used to have a doorway right here where I'm looking. And that was the only non-smoking casino. And right across from it was the comedy club. And look what they did. They got rid of the comedy club. So I'm not sure where they're doing a comedy yet. We haven't made one yet because you can't get reservations. There's that woman drinking a margarita. And they made it all this big with a bar. Pretty darn awesome, non-smoking. So we're gonna go kick Bingo's butt over here that we did. Last night I won almost $1,000. So. And I was only betting $1.50. Paid off our bill, paid off everything good. All right, Terry finally won. Look at her.
I won $97.
On a 88-cent bet. She won almost $100. That's my baby. I'm still working at mine. All right, so this is the Studio B. They do a lot of stuff in here. They have ice skating, as you can see. I know you're not that silly, but they also do some shows in here as well. Pretty cool. They do laser tag in here. They do a lot of different stuff. It's pretty awesome. It's called Studio B, deck 4 forward. And that would be me now. I used to be a good ice skater, but that's probably me now. Where are we going?
We're going to dinner. We're running late because we were in the casino.
Where have we been?
We've been in the casino. I just said, let's go.
And what'd we do?
We won.
We kicked their butts.
Yeah.
Last night,
He won more than I
1,000.
did.
Today,
He won more than
300.
He did
So.
good. He did really good.
So we're still doing good.
But we're hungry. Let's go to dinner.
I'm sure I'll put it all back tonight.
It's Caribbean night.
It is.
Yes. Here
All
we
right.
go.
Here we go. Going to dinner.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Coconut fried shrimp, and I got the Caesar salad to start. Wish we had smell-o-vision. This is the Caribbean chicken. It smells so good. Yummy, yummy. we
So
got
y'all remember
carrot
each other?
cake,
Yeah, we worked together
I
for
got
years and years.
And then she introduced
pineapple
you to him.
cake.
Yes. And
Just a bite
she
or
actually
two
was, it's funny
or three.
because the first time I met